Lion Primal. Today's video is on the Transformers G1 Walmart reissue Astro train. Here's what he looks like in package. Here's the box art. Window with the toy there. Transformation on top. Bottom side of the box, back of the box with the 85 box art, tech specs in 2 languages, and the other side of the box. And I've already opened this and played with them a little bit, so it's already been opened. So you just slide them out of the box, and here is G1 Walmart reissue Astro train out of his packaging. In space shuttle mode. Here is his blaster. Box out of the way. And I don't have an original Astro train to compare this to, but I do have a picture of this next to a vintage one. So I will put a picture of the G1 Astro train next to the Walmart reissue. And now for Astro train's transformation, I'm gonna go to train mode first. So to transform him to train mode, you gotta pop the thruster off for a minute, slide this in place, close the thrusters back up there, then open these panels here, fold in the nose cone of the space shuttle, close that back up, then take the wings, fold them up, fold in these tips here, fold down this panel, fold down this one, and then these little bits here on the sides, fold those in. And here is G1 Astro train's train mode. It's a purple and black train, thrusters on the back, but it's cartoon accurate, so it's not a big deal. And there's the bottom of the train mode, front and top of the train mode. And again, since I don't have a vintage Astro train to compare this to, I do have a picture of this next to the vintage one, so I will put a picture up of him next to the G1. And now transformation to Astro Train's robot mode. Pretty much have to go back to space shuttle mode for the most part. Fold in these panels on the sides first. Then you fold this back up on both sides. Take the wings, open them back up to space shuttle mode position. Then you split this section in half and pull the legs down. Take the thrusters, move them down onto his back. Then the arms, pull them out. Little stubby arms. And then if you want, you can pull the tail fin of the space shuttle out and split it in half like this. But I prefer to keep it folded up. It's cartoon accurate and it gives his arms more freedom to move. So I just leave it like this. But there is a G1 Astro Train in robot mode. His gun can peg into his hand. Big gun for small figure. But there is G1 Astro Train in robot mode. And posability, his arms could rotate 360 if the wings didn't get in the way. Can move out that far. No head articulation and no leg articulation really. So it's all really in the arms with the ball joint. And the wings can move, but it's not really posability. It's just due to transformation. And again, since I don't have a vintage Astro Train to compare him to, I will put a picture of Astro Train next to the vintage one. To show you what he looks like next to the G1. And for another comparison, here is G1 Astro Train with G1 Megatron. So you can see how short he is compared to Megatron. So that is my review for the Transformers G1 Walmart reissue Astro Train.